Right now, you can get Kindle Unlimited free for 3 months if you're a Prime member. You can also become a Prime member for free up to 6 months. I left both of those links in the description. The 6 months free trial for Prime, and also the link to this landing page where you can try Kindle Unlimited free for 3 months if you're a Prime member. If not, it's 30 days, so you can still try it for free. But that's pretty much it. There's a link in the description down there for this page, as well as becoming a Prime member. And if you're a Prime member, all you have to do is click Join Kindle Unlimited. You can see 3 months right now for this Prime Big Day Deals event, Big Deal Days event. And they have a lot of other different promotions at different times. So depending on when you click on this, they may have a different promotion for Prime Day or anything like that. But yeah, I mean, 3 months free Kindle Unlimited, unlimited listening, unlimited reading. It's a pretty awesome deal. And magazine subscriptions too. That's how you can get Kindle Unlimited free for 3 months.